I'm wrong. I'm wrong, okay? I stand corrected. I'm not afraid to admit when I'm wrong, and I was absolutely 100% wrong. When I first saw Candy Cane Kisses peanut butter, I said, you cannot put candy canes in peanut butter. That is disgusting. I stand corrected because, baby, I'm literally addicted. Addicted. It's a white chocolate peppermint flavored peanut butter with chocolate sandwich cookies, candy canes, and white chocolate chips. And I can't stop, won't stop. Never. If you're in the Christmas spirit, I've got more. Yeah, I do. I got ginger doodle almond butter. It's a cinnamon spice snickerdoodle flavored almond butter. It's got crushed graham crackers, white chocolate chips, and it's got pretty festive sprinkles. She's gorgeous. Not as pretty as a Christmas tree I saw in somebody's window the other day. Y'all, why are we putting up our Christmas trees right after Halloween? What happened to wait until after Thanksgiving? We just skip over Thanksgiving? What happened? Baby, that's good. My favorite thing around Christmas time was those Little Debbie Christmas tree snack cakes that came out. Lived for them. This cashew butter reminded me of it. So this is Nutter Cracker Crunch. Cheesecake flavored cashew butter. It's got pretty festive sprinkles with granola on top, so it's nice and crunchy. Is she not giving Little Debbie Christmas tree snack cake? She is. So yummy. Last but certainly not least, no ma'am, is caramel and chocolate dipped pretzel cashew butter. This is a chocolate caramel pretzel flavored cashew butter with pretzels, candy coated chocolate pieces, and caramel cups stuffed. Okay, let's get us a nice little bite here. What's the verdict? It's salty, sweet, and crunchy. What more could you want? Nothing, obviously.